Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Office. In today's video, we are going to solve a LeetCode problem called number of segments in a string, that is the LeetCode problem number 434. This is a simple string problem which is given a string S, return the number of segments in the string. That means we need to count the number of words in the given string. So we will see the approach how to solve it. We will understand the first code. Okay, so we take a integer count, which is to count the number of words, which initially we take it as 0. So next, I use a for loop to traverse the complete string. Here I represent the current index and we traverse the for loop till the string length. So first, the important condition is s.charAt I not equal to space. This checks the current character is not a space. Then we have the second two important condition, that is I equal to 0. That means this checks that whether the beginning we are at the beginning of the string or whether the previous character is a space or not. So if we satisfy both of the condition, that is this condition or this condition, we simply increment the count. Finally, traversing the entire string, we return the count, that is our number of words. So we will take that is suppose hello world. So what we do, at the index 0 the character is h is not a space, and current I value is 0. That means we need to increment the count is 1. Then it traverses up to w, and at the w it checks the character at I, that is w, is not equal to space, no, that is false. And after I equal to 0, no, or s.charAt I minus 1, that is the previous character of I is equal to space, yes, space, then we need to increment the count, then count is 2. So simply hello world string has 2 segments. That is our approach. So the time complexity for this is order of n, because we traverse entire string once. So now we will run the test cases. First of all, we take an integer count. Initially it is 0. Then we take a for loop. It traverses up to string length. We first check if the current index, the character at current index, it not equal to space, and if our character is at beginning, or if the previous character is equal to space. If it is correct, it is true, then we simply increase the count by 1, and after that we finally return the count. That is a syntax mistake. So our test cases is passed. That means this code works. So thank you so much for watching the video.